Hello, Rockdale citizens. This is Georgia State Representative of Rockdale Soil and Water Conservation District Supervisor.
Georgia State Representative Kenny A. Johnson. Does George Kalachik have a certificate from the state of Georgia Governor and Secretary of State office?
He should not, because George Kalachek was never sworn in by any judges, and George Kalachek was on that ballot illegally. He was not an incoming. And plus, I have the facts, so I'm going to play the tape so everyone can hear it.
This is Kenny Johnson. How are you, Kenny? Doing just fine. I talked to the Board of Election, and they tell me that you guys are the ones that put names on the ballots. Not quite. The Board of Elections will build the Rockdale County Board of Elections will build the ballot. They hold the election for us. For us? For the agency. You mean the state? Yes. So, who determined that George Kalachek is an incumbent? Because he never was sworn in. No, he wasn't. He's not an elected incumbent. No, he is not. He should not be listed on the ballot as an incumbent. Okay, so how we get that removed? We'll have to talk to Rockdale County Board of Elections. I appreciate it. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you.
So you can clearly see that George Kalachek broke the law. He's a criminal. He broke the Constitution, Georgia Constitution law, and United States law. He needs to be in jail.
Georgia State Representative Kenny A. Johnson, was George Kalachek sworn in by the judges in Rockdale County?
He was not. The judges know the law, and they all had my email when I was saying that he was illegal, and none of the judges sworn him in. So he's walking around illegally. So the governor should never have given him a certificate, or the Secretary of State. If they have, they violated the law, along with the Attorney General office. Anyone give George Kalachek any certificate, Georgia Soil Water Commission, they are in violation of the law, of the Georgia Constitution and the United States Constitution.
Georgia State Representative Kenny A. Johnson, how many years have the charges been in the Georgia Secretary of State office?
The charge has been there for 2 years. They've been covering up. I have been talking to them back and forth. They said the investigation is done. They have to get it to the state board of election so they can put everything in place. And now it's just a cover up because George Kalachek is a big time Jewish Republican donor. He make a lot of people nervous. So we as a people, Rockdale County, we got to make sure we let our lawmakers know that is not right. That means anyone can come off the street and say, I'm an incoming. And so Cynthia Woodham have to put him on the ballots as an incoming. Again, you can call me at 404-569-9192. My email address is johnson.rswcd@gmail.com. And you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Georgia State Representative of Rockdale Soil and Water Conservation District. Thank you.